Stumpy, I come for some money for God Devon house.
How much you want, babes?
About 5 grand for taxi fare and ice cream money.
Nobody stay long like the last time, you know, Kerry.
Oh man, don't worry, you are one from the chart. Sexy Kerry at the beat of me heart.
Stumpy, now third time this week Kerry I go Devon house.
Yeah, man. I saw she love ice cream. And me make sure take care of her because me no want she stray. Man for treat them woman good. Right, Blacks?
A true man.
Yo, Blacks, chicken, little more.
Hey Blacks, Stumpy are one big idiot, you know.
Chicken, how you mean?
Kerry side man named Devon, and I feel him how she gone.
Devon, I'm outside of your house in a one taxi.
Certain girl.
What you know? Yeah.